Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to click on Sound and Vibration over here and then click on Vibrate. This way you can mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. But you can also tap on Sound and click on the switcher next to Vibratory ring. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. Now scroll down and tap on Call Vibration Pattern. Over here you can pick one of those patterns for your incoming calls by tapping on the best one for you, like Heartbeat, or disable it completely by choosing Silent. Now go back and do exactly the same for your notifications. After that, you can click on Vibration Intensity and adjust intensity of touch vibrations by swiping left or right on this little slider. Then click on the back button and choose System Sound Vibration Control. Lastly, scroll all the way down and tap on the switchers next to all of those vibration features to enable or disable them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!